Hi everyone, Zubia Alam here from Department of Mechatronics UT Peshawar. My group members are Hamza Rahman and Shair Iqbal, and our final year project is CNC machine with automatic tool changer. We are using gantry wheel and screw rod mechanism for speed and accuracy. G-code or geometry code is required by CNC to work. It tells CNC where and how to move. We make G-code in our system using flat game software like the one that is shown here. We give G-codes to CNC using Candle software, which is an HMI used to control CNC machine. In front of us is a drill job. We are required to do some changes in flat game software before making G-code, like according to the job that we need or the speed that we should be moving our stepper motors in X, Y, and Z direction. We can also change acceleration and velocity. We have already increased speed change for our system from here. Working of y-axis and z-axis stepper motor has been shown. We will soon work on x-axis. Gantry wheel mechanism is used to increase speed and accuracy. G-code first goes to Arduino, which gives that to stepper motor drivers using driver shield. Each stepper motor is controlled through stepper motor drivers. Thank you for watching.